Skyler, nagod. Naka ni Skyler pa rin. Naka ni Skyler, 2 points yan.
3 points.
Canilao, turbid the ball by Canilao. Canilao again, 15 seconds to shoot. That's the center. Center now running up. Both teams meeting isang timeout lang po tayo. Cesar Pastoroy. Pasok Canilao. Nagkapitan po tabi ka na po na. Nakakunin Canilao. Pinigay kay Roy. Pasok Canilao. Full of jumper. 1-2. Big points. Nakakunin yung Minares. Pasok Laudenyo. Laudenyo with the right hand. Roy up. 2 points. De La Cruz. 15 to shoot. Fourteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Okay, amen. Tama na yun. Neng.
Now Manzini. Manzini, point right hander, 2 points by Manzini. Skyler giving the ball by Skyler. Skyler, pass to Laudenyo, 15 seconds siya na, pass to ONG. What a big pass, 10 to shoot. 5-3, nagad, nakakuha na Cruz. De La Cruz na ako na pala nagkasadutan na pala nakakuha ni ONG. Wala pa rin yung follow-up, no good. ONG with the right-hander throw, 2 points by ONG. Ay makalamang na team from negative 7. Now on Skyler. Skyler pass to Manzini with the dribbling the ball. Manzini sumama sa laban.
Ayaw natin manalo.
Shit. Laudenyo with the dribbling the ball by Laudenyo. Laudenyo pass to Hutton. 15 to shoot. Binigay kay Skyler, pass to Inang na niyong nagunya lang na ako ni Roy pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz surprise with the reverse and nagot na nagunya ni Skyler. Skyler, pass to Laudenyo again, pass to 14 seconds to shoot. Nagot again, rebound by Sigara. Lumabas by Sigara, pass to Canilao. Canilao pass to Manzini again, right hander, not good, rebound by.
Wait, what?
55 seconds, 14 to shoot, 50 seconds, 10 to shoot, 5 to shoot, 40 seconds. 35 seconds.
May timeout pa kami.
ONG. seconds, 15 to shoot. 20 seconds, 10 to shoot. Wala na po kayong timeout, Team Camagong. 15 seconds. 10 seconds.